Hi, I'm Aaron Style from Gardening with Style on Iowa PBS. Seeing all the annuals in the stores has me wanting to create some mixed containers. Here are some tips to create one of your very own. Start with a nice large container and fill it with potting soil, not topsoil. Well-designed mixed containers have a nice mix of color, texture, and size. Since all of these plants are growing together, it's important that they have the same light, water, and soil requirements. I have a few examples of some combinations I think work well together. The first one is a wide mix of colors. That gives it interest. You'll notice a nice variation in size and shape of the flowers, leaves, and habits of the plant. Tall stuff will be in the middle and short stuff near the edges. I looked to include upright, mounding, and crawling plants. This next example has a more limited color palette, only reds and chartreuses. This begonia is nice for this container, but my container's in full sun and this plant wants more shade than that, so we can't use it in this situation. We'll have to swap it out for this sun-loving coleus instead. This last example is monochromatic, so all the colors are very similar, in this case whites and silvers. Texture is always important, but here it's even more so because the variation in interest doesn't come from a mix of colors. Mixing fine and coarse textured plants is what makes this combination really interesting. Another way to look at making plant combinations is to make sure that every mixed container has a focal point, like this elephantier, something to fill the space in between, like this coleus, and something to trail over the edge of the pot, like this dichondra. A thriller, filler, and spiller. As long as you mix all of the textures, colors, and sizes, you'll have a great looking container. The great thing about plants is that they all look good together, so experimenting never ends in failure. Don't be afraid to be bold or try something new. As long as the plants have the same light, water, and soil requirements, they will look good all season. Thanks for joining me with this gardening tip on Gardening with Style.